Irete Meji, the Odù of determination, resistance, and transformation. Irete Meji is an Odù of steadfast determination, embodying the trials and triumphs of overcoming obstacles through persistence. It is an Odù that speaks to the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity, with the understanding that challenges are an integral part of growth and self-realization. This Odù reminds us that progress often requires us to confront and conquer internal and external barriers, nurturing a character forged through resilience and humility. The essence of Irete Meji. At its core, Irete Meji represents the transformative power of resistance and the lessons born from opposition. It highlights the necessity of enduring trials to achieve fulfillment and emphasizes the importance of maintaining good character in the pursuit of success. This Odù reminds us that the process of refining ourselves is ongoing and often requires us to confront the darker aspects of our nature. Irete Meji also warns against selfishness, pride, and gluttony, vices that hinder spiritual and material progress. Instead, it calls for a spirit of sharing, humility, and gratitude, urging us to use our achievements to uplift others and maintain harmony within our communities. Key Orishas in Irete Meji. About the Orisha Òṣun. As the Orisha of herbs and natural medicine, Òṣun governs the power of healing and transformation in Irete Meji. He teaches the importance of working with nature's resources to overcome challenges and maintain balance. Orisha Onile. Onile, the spirit of the earth, is central to this Odù, representing stability, foundation, and the enduring strength of the natural world. She reminds us of the importance of grounding ourselves and honoring the earth's wisdom. Orisha Eshu. Eshu plays a dual role in Irete Meji, as both a guide through obstacles and a keeper of temptation. He governs the forces of choice and reminds us to navigate life's crossroads with wisdom and care. Orisha Ogun. Ogun, the Orisha of war and iron, embodies the determination and courage needed to break through barriers. His energy in this Odù helps us clear paths and conquer adversity. The Maleficent Iogun. The maleficent forces, known as Iogun, appear in Irete Meji as agents of challenge and correction. While they bring trials, they also offer opportunities for growth and the development of good character. Key myths of Irete Meji. The toad and the snake. In this myth, the toad and vulture initiate the snake into Ifá, only to realize later that it was a mistake. This story warns of the dangers of inviting wickedness into one's life and emphasizes the importance of discernment and patience. The Tree of Wealth. Known as Ògún, this sacred tree symbolizes abundance and the balance between prosperity and responsibility. The myth underscores the need to share wealth and avoid greed. The prohibition of human sacrifices. In Irete Meji, human sacrifices are replaced with symbolic offerings, emphasizing the evolution of spiritual practices towards more compassionate and ethical means. The meaning of Irete Meji in Ire, blessings. In Ire, Irete Meji signals the successful overcoming of challenges and the attainment of abundance and stability. It brings long life, prosperity, and spiritual enlightenment. Health, healing, and vitality are supported, particularly through the use of natural remedies and rituals to Òṣun. Wealth, prosperity flows from hard work, humility, and the wise use of resources. Generosity ensures the continued growth of abundance. Relationships. Harmony in relationships is achieved through mutual respect and the sharing of blessings. Spiritual growth. Perseverance in spiritual practices leads to enlightenment and the ability to navigate life's challenges with grace. The meaning of Irete Meji in Òṣogbo, adversity. In Osogbo, Irete Meji warns of selfishness, pride, and the consequences of poor choices. It highlights the dangers of arrogance and the need for humility and self-awareness. Health. Vulnerability to diseases related to the legs, skin, or internal organs. Rituals to Onile and Ọbàlúayé can aid in recovery. Wealth. Financial setbacks may result from greed or neglecting spiritual responsibilities. Relationships. Conflicts and betrayals arise from selfishness and pride. Reconciliation and humility are necessary to restore harmony. Spiritual struggles. A lack of connection to one's Ori and the misuse of spiritual power invite challenges and stagnation. Core areas of life in Irete Meji. Persistence and character building. Irete Meji emphasizes the importance of perseverance and the constant effort required to develop good character. Challenges are seen as opportunities to refine oneself and grow stronger. Balance and sharing. This Odu teaches that true abundance comes from sharing one's blessings and avoiding greed. It encourages generosity and community-oriented actions. Temptation and discernment. The presence of Ògún in Irete Meji highlights the need to resist temptation and make wise choices. This Odu warns against inviting negativity through arrogance or poor behavior. Healing and transformation. Through Òṣun and Onile, Irete Meji emphasizes the power of natural remedies and the healing potential of spiritual practices. Transformation is achieved through humility and alignment with divine forces. Symbolism and sacred elements of Irete Meji. The vulture, a messenger that carries sacrifices to a Olódùmarè, symbolizing endurance and spiritual communication. The tree of wealth, Ògúnjẹ, a symbol of abundance and the balance between giving and receiving. The swamp, representing adversity and the need to adapt and thrive in difficult environments. The scythe of Oya, a reminder of the transformative power of cutting away what no longer serves us. Conclusion. Irete Meji is the Odu of determination, resistance, and transformation. It teaches that challenges are essential for growth and that perseverance, humility, and good character lead to lasting success. Whether in Ire or Osogbo, this Odu offers profound lessons on overcoming adversity, embracing generosity, and aligning with the divine forces that guide us. By heeding these teachings, we unlock the potential for abundance, resilience, and spiritual enlightenment. Ashe.